How to extract clear vocals from any Suno song using Studio V5. Ever made a fire track on Suno AI, but then struggled to pull out a clean vocal for remixing, sampling, or layering into your own production? Today, I am going to show you exactly how to extract crystal clear vocals from any Suno song using the latest tools available in Suno Studio, step by step, so you never have to deal with muddy, artifact-filled stems again. So let me quickly break down what we are working with. Suno Studio is a first-of-its-kind web-based generative audio workstation that combines traditional DAW functionality with AI-powered music creation. And when it comes to vocal extraction, Suno now gives you 3 powerful separation modes. Advanced stem separation breaks a song down with more precision and cleaner results than before, and it lets you decide how that happens with 3 unique separation modes: auto split, split from mix, and advanced split, each built for a different separation goal. I'm going to walk you through every option so you can pick the right one for your project. But before we even touch the extraction tools, step 1 is the most important step most people skip, and that is generating a vocal-friendly track in the first place. Extracting vocals from Suno is not a one-click process if you want the cleanest possible result. Suno provides built-in stem separation, but the quality of the vocal stem still depends on the track you generated before extraction. If the original Suno song is muddy, overlayered, too wet with effects, or poorly structured, stem extraction can only do so much. A vocal buried under bass, drums, choir layers, reverb, distortion, or dense pads is harder to isolate cleanly. So when writing your style prompt, use descriptions like vocal forward song, clear lead vocal, controlled instrumentation, dry intimate vocal, and balanced mix. Avoid stacking tons of layers, heavy distortion, and massive choir effects if your end goal is clean vocal extraction. Think of it this way: you are designing for separation, not just for a dramatic sounding mix. Step 2, open your track in Suno and access the stem extraction tools. Head to your library or a workspace and find the song you want to break apart. Click the More Actions, that is the 3 dots icon next to the song, and hover over Get Stems. This is where you will see your separation options. Step 3, choose the right extraction mode for your needs. Your first option is split from mix. You select a single instrument or vocals and receive 2 files back, the selected track and the complete rest. A classic example, you separate the vocals and then have an a cappella and a karaoke version. This costs 10 credits per extraction or 20 for both lanes. This is your go-to if you just want the vocals isolated quickly without needing every single instrument separated. Your second option is auto split. The AI analyzes the song itself and automatically breaks it down into up to 12 track groups, such as lead vocals, backing vocals, drums, bass, guitar, keyboards, percussion, strings, brass, and woodwinds. You do not have to select anything, Suno decides. This costs 50 credits per extraction, and it is available with Pro and Premier subscriptions. And your third and newest option is Advanced Split. On June 11, 2026, Suno released Advanced Split, a new feature that no longer splits AI-generated songs into individual tracks, but instead completely regenerates each track. The result is significantly cleaner stems without the typical artifacts and crosstalk of traditional splitting methods. This is a game changer. Advanced Split takes the opposite approach. Instead of extracting a track from the mix, Suno analyzes what each element is playing and how it sounds and then rebuilds it from scratch. So your vocal stem comes out sounding incredibly clean. Premier subscribers get auto split, split from mix, plus advanced mode, so keep that in mind when choosing your plan. Step 4, once extraction is complete, preview your stems. You can now download your new isolated stems, vocals, drums, bass, and others as high-quality WAVs or MP3s ready for your next project. Listen carefully to the vocal stem before downloading. If it sounds clean and artifact-free, you are good to go. Step 5, if your vocal still has a little too much reverb or delay baked in, use the Remove FX feature. Studio 1.2 Remove FX is documented as a way to generate a cleaner, drier version of a clip by removing reverb and delay. This is incredibly useful when your vocal is basically good, but just a little too wet for clean use in a mix or for layering into another project. Step 6, export your final vocal stem. You can export up to 12 time-aligned WAV stems and use them seamlessly in Ableton, Logic, or any DAW. WAV downloads are available on paid plans, giving you lossless quality for professional production work. Now here is your pro tip. And this is the one thing that separates beginners from people who get studio quality results every time. Most bad stems are caused before the extraction button is ever clicked. The secret is not in the extraction tool itself, it is in the generation prompt. If you generate a track with a clear, forward vocal and minimal instrumental clutter, the AI stem separation has a much easier job, and your vocal comes out pristine. Spend an extra minute crafting a separation-friendly prompt, and you will save yourself hours of cleanup later. Alright, let's recap what we covered. First, generate your track with vocal separation in mind by keeping prompts clean and vocal forward. Second, access get stems from your library using the 3 dots menu. Third, choose split from mix for a quick vocal pull, auto split for full stem breakdown, or advanced split for the cleanest regenerated stems available. Fourth, preview and listen before downloading. Fifth, use remove FX to dry out any leftover reverb. And sixth, export as WAV for professional quality. Follow these 6 steps, and you will pull clean, usable vocals from any Suno song every single time. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, hit that like button and subscribe for more Suno AI production tips. And let me know in the comments, are you using your extracted vocals for remixes, covers, or your own original productions? I am curious to hear what you are building. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.